Hi guys, Knife Detector here. Check this beautiful knife out. Happy Wednesday to you, and I'm saying that even though it is actually Monday. And the reason that I'm saying it's Wednesday and I'm making this video on Monday is because I can't wait to carry this bad boy in my pocket. And I just got it in the mail, and I decided let me make this video before it gets all scratched up, because I know that's what's going to happen with this really nice Marbles Sleeveboard 3.5 inch long closed Whittler knife. Okay, so this is a Whittler knife, guys. You know what that means? It has 3 blades. It has 2 small ones, and it's got 1 big one. The total length close of this knife is 3.5 inches, and it uses 440A steel. I bought this straight out of the Smoky Mountain Knife Works website. It got here lickety split in about a week, or less actually. And you know what? I really like this knife, guys. I paid $12.99 for it, plus tax, which came out to about 16 bucks. And I am not disappointed. As a matter of fact, I'm even thinking of getting another, just so that I can mess this one up and keep another one pristine. Even though I don't believe in safe queens, I believe all knives should be used. But man, this is a nice looking knife. Let me show you the details. Check out this stag, guys. Check out this deep stag. This video might not do this stag justice. It's got this deep purplish hue going on with this stag in here that is just really pretty. Okay, there you see that. It says Marbles right there. I don't know if you can pick up on all those little colors in there, but man, this is a nice whiskey type of stag color. Kind of like a purplish hue if you really look at it, okay? That's the other side. Let's check out the liners. Now, it's got 2 brass liners, as you can see, and in the middle, it's got a wedge type of spring. This is a split back design, okay? And these split back designs, one of my other viewers told me that, you know, it's really hard to make, and I would expect that that is correct. The only other knife I have with this split back design happens to be a Cattaraugus that I believe is from the 1940s or 50s. And that split back has a brass insert. As you can see, this one has steel on it, kind of like a satin finish steel for the springs. Looks like they're using nickel silver bolsters. Very nicely done. Let's check out these blades. Let's start with the little one. The little blades have a half stop, guys. I do like knives that have half stops. To me, it just says it's going to last a little bit longer. And I'm going to tell you why. Because as you use a knife, the tang itself will get used, and it will start to smooth out. Every time you open and close it, it's steel rubbing on steel. That's why it's important to keep your knives lubricated. But that half stop just tells me that it's got a little square end here. Instead of being rounded right there, it's got a little square end. So that catches. To me, that just, it may not be, I might be totally off, but to me, it just makes me feel like it's going to last a little bit longer when it has a half stop. And because that little square end, instead of being totally rounded, means that it's not starting off already completely rounded off. And when it's completely rounded off, sometimes you end up losing some of the strength in the blade and the spring, and the steel ends up rubbing against each other, and over time you can get a really weak action on your knife because the spring just it won't lock into place correctly. But since it has a half stop, I can tell that it's got a couple of corners in there that help it lock into place. So we have that one, and then boom, the half stop, and then we have this one that's got to get over that one too, and boom, right there at full open. So that's one little blade, right? It's a nice little blade. You can see it's got the match strike pattern, although I have tried striking a match on some of these and it doesn't work, but that's what it's called, a match strike pattern. And here's the other little one. It's kind of like a small, this is a whittling knife, as I said, but it's kind of like a small sheep's foot. Okay, let's look at the big one. First, check out the big one, see how it's made from here. As you can see, it starts off pretty wide at the bottom, then it kind of tapers down. You got that faux edge on top, which is really nice. Again, you got the match strike nail neck. And right here it says Marbles. quality knives. And it is a nice blade, guys. Nice blade. It's like a spear type blade. The Marbles trademark. That's where it's made. Snaps into place really nice. Look at that. That is a beautiful knife. As you can see, it's wider on this point, and it's not as wide on this point. It's a little more narrow, and that's typical of Sunfish knives. So this is kind of like a Sunfish Whittler. Okay. Now I have another couple of videos with more toenail type knives and Sunfish type knives coming up in the future, but I wanted to show you this one because I intend to carry it as soon as possible, dudes. All right, so I'm going to put this down. Comes in your typical box. Huge shout out also to Marbles. They also gave me a sticker that was wrapped up in the package. Here it says in the box, cancer and reproductive harm. I don't intend to eat the box or the knife, so I think I'm okay with that. But I understand why they do that. I think it's because they sell it in California and they have stiffer restrictions. But this thing even came with a sticker when they gave it to me, which is pretty cool. And I'm going to put that sticker on my toolbox. Let me see if I can pause this real quick and then go show you the sticker. Ta-da, the magic of video. And there's the sticker. It's a cool sticker, guys. It's pretty big. It's actually bigger than the knife, if you can see. It says Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com. And it is a fantastic sticker. I'm going to wear this proudly. Did I say wear? I meant I'm going to stick this proudly on my toolbox or another place of honor where I keep my knives. I really dig this. It's really cool. Happy they sent me that. Thank you, Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Appreciate that very much. So check this out, guys. Beautiful knife. I intend to carry this immediately. That's why it's Monday, and I'm making this video now. Don't tell anybody. But guess what? I'm actually going to put this video on Wednesday. So you won't see this till Wednesday. So happy Wednesday to all of my friends. You all stay safe. Take care. And remember, above all, stay sharp, my friends.